LEGO Ninjago is a popular series of construction sets developed by the LEGO company. It is based on the animated series Ninjago, Masters of Spinjitzu, and tells the story of a group of young ninjas who fight against villains and protect their world. Hello, it's LEGO Hunter here, and today we will be reviewing LEGO Ninjago sets. Get ready, we're starting. The Master of Spinjitzu Training Factory set is an exciting LEGO Ninjago set that allows children to immerse themselves in the world of the Ninjago series and create their own master ninjas. The set includes a huge factory where the process of creating master ninjas takes place. The factory has multiple zones, including a workshop where you can assemble and service mechanisms, and a training area where minifigures can practice and improve their skills. The factory is also equipped with moving parts, including conveyor belts and a lifting crane. The set includes minifigures of the heroes from the Ninjago series, such as Kai, Lloyd, and Ultraviolet, as well as minifigures of villains, such as the mechanical snake Heavy Metal. Additionally, the set includes various accessories, including weapons and tools that help create exciting story scenes. The Master of Spinjitzu Training Factory set allows children to not only have fun playing but also develop their creative thinking and imagination. They can create their own stories, come up with adventures, and recreate epic battles between heroes and villains. The Power of the Oni set is an exciting LEGO Ninjago set that allows children to dive into the epic world of battles and adventures from the Ninjago series. In this set, the formidable Oni Fortress is recreated, where the Ninjago heroes battle the mighty Hoozer. The Oni Fortress is an important location in the world of Ninjago. It has an imposing appearance and many enemy traps, including huge horns and pincers guarded by sinister guardians. Inside the fortress, there are various rooms and platforms that create opportunities for exciting gameplay scenarios. The Power of the Oni set provides children with the opportunity to immerse themselves in the thrilling world of Ninjago and recreate exciting battles and adventures. This set not only stimulates imagination and creative thinking, but also contributes to the development of motor skills and coordination. The Grand Battle of the Glorious set is an exciting LEGO Ninjago set that allows children to recreate the epic arena of the Glorious, where ninja minifigures can battle against enormous enemies. The main component of the set is the Glorious Arena itself. This arena has a unique design, including numerous obstacles, platforms, and hidden features. It provides the perfect setting for thrilling battles and training for the Ninjago heroes. One of the notable features of the set is the large, double-sided Glorious Dragon. This majestic dragon can be controlled during battles in the arena and has a projectile shooting function. It serves as a powerful ally to the heroes in their fight against villains. Well, how did you like it? If you found it interesting, let us know in the comments, and we'll make a second part about LEGO Ninjago. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like the video so you don't miss out on new content. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.